What is up, everybody? Okay, if you're heading off to the Buffalo airport, you might want to check out this hotel. We are right now in the Courtyard Marriott. So if you are looking for a park and fly hotel, that is what I booked for tonight. We've got one night staying here, and then we are off to the airport in the morning. So they do have a shuttle. I'm going to go down and book that right now, but I'm going to take you guys around and I'm going to show you the whole hotel. So let's go check this out. There you have it, the Courtyard by Marriott. We're going on in there. We're gonna go check it out one night here, and then we are off from Buffalo to Orlando. That's very exciting. Park and fly available here. We are right next door to the Town Suites, as well as the Fairfield Inn Marriott, which you cannot see the sign for, but it is back there, I promise. All right, here we go. All right, looks like we've got some, bistro bar, sweets, snacks, coffee, all of the things, and people sitting in the lobby. And there's a big TV out here. Okay, so check-in is over here. You can see it in the view right now, but we're gonna head on out and see what's outside first. I like the loungers. Wow! This is nice.
Well, by the way, guys, if the pool is looking good, then we'll go down and actually swim in it.
Yes, we'll go for a swim a little bit later. There you go. So this hotel is 5 floors high.
Yeah, it's usually a standard hotel is about 7 floors. 7 or 8 floors.
Ooh, we're getting random facts. I don't even think they're facts. So you can see over top of the wall here, we're surrounded by things. There's a McDonald's over there. There's a couple of hotels. There's the Hilton, and just over there is the Loft. So everything is around the same area, but we have this beautiful fire and lots of chairs and nobody out here. Lots of seating out here.
Yeah, this place is cool. I think on like a night, I would probably go out here and
I think this door is locked too. You need to use your... There we go. Key card.
Your music choice.
All right, this way, Liam.
Yep, the pool is... We should be taking a turn right past this elevator and then we'll be there.
There's some ice cold lemon water. Our elevators. The restrooms are here, just past the lobby. Oh, it looks good. There's an ice machine here on my left.
Oh, man, that looks like cool.
The mechanical room, and then we've got the change rooms here and some water fountains down this hallway. I've got the key for that, the pool and the whirlpool. Hours of operation between 6 and 11. Let's head on in. Nobody in here, perfect time to get some footage. So we will go swimming.
I think we've been here before. Yeah, Mom, we've been here. Remember when we went here and I was like playing all over the stairs?
No, I think it just looks familiar because a lot of hotels look the same. So there's your hot tub. Lots of loungers out here as well.
The pool is nice and cool.
Is it?
Yeah. Go touch it.
3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. So it does get deeper.
And I think I can stand in 5 feet.
That's debatable. I think you might be a bit short. So we've got pool equipment. There is the exercise room right next to us. So also looks like there's nobody in there. We've got a bike, a weight bench, a couple of bikes in there, some treadmills, some weighted balls here, and an elliptical, little TV in there.
Wait, Mom.
Yes.
Do they mean like pool equipment, like toys and stuff?
No, I think they mean like things to clean the pool with. So it does say no diving. It's quite nice in here.
Does it say no jumps?
No, it does not. There is a lift if anybody needs it to get into the pool. I would assume you need to ask at the front desk, but couple of tables, some loungers. It's nice and warm in here. Also, cool ceiling lighting. Liam is just super excited about coming on in here. All right, bud. Not only is there the pool down this way, but it's also the guest laundry. All right, we're heading back up to get our bathing suits on. So first of all, they've given us the hearing room. And we've got some braille there on the front. So we're in room 210. And along with the fact that we have this little doorbell outside for hearing impaired, we have an oversized washroom. So I didn't request any of this. It just happened naturally, and that is okay by me, but I don't know if you can tell from this video, the bathroom is very large. We have grab bars everywhere. And there you go, there's the sink. And it looks like we've got just generic soap there, some tissues and all that jazz. Towel hooks and a shower, grab bars in the shower for anybody who might need those. And then we have got our stuff hanging on the wall there. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and a shower seat. Oh, must have been what they had left. That's the only thing I can think of, because we did book this very last minute. I booked it literally at about 3 p.m. today, and it is now only about 8 o'clock. So booked it, jumped in the car, headed on out here. There's a telephone on the wall. I guess if you've fallen and you can't get up, there it is. You can then use that phone. But then off to the side here, we've got a little coffee maker, and looks like they've got some glassware there, instructions on how to use the coffee maker, some coffee in an ice bucket. Down below that, little refrigerator. Now we did, the TV was on when we came in here, so we weren't sure if we were actually supposed to be in this room, but I mean, here we are. Looks like the beds are made, so that's a good thing. And we've got a 2-queen bed. There's Liam over there in his chair, enjoying that. We've got a beautiful vase and a light shining down on it. But there you go, up in there. The fire alarm is flashing, so hopefully that doesn't go off in the middle of the night. Large mirror there. We already have our stuff in the room, but pretty generic room. It's actually a really big size, I guess, in case you need to use a mobility device to get around. It's got more space probably than a regular room. But there you have it. Now, we are only staying here before a flight, which I assume is what most people do, either before or after a flight. We do have an ironing board, an iron, and a place to hang your stuff, as well as a luggage rack there. It smells really good in here.
It does.
Kind of sweet smelling.
To me, it smells like strawberries.
Yeah, strawberries could be. Nice big drawers there. Little desk. There's your TV. Nice big size. Some decorative art above the TV. And then over in the corner, a couple of chairs and a light. Now, one thing that is really cool here, I mean, in terms of really cool things in hotel rooms, wireless charging there for your phone. So up to date. And if you need an alarm clock, I'll check to make sure that alarm is not set for some absurd time before I go to bed tonight. But there you have it. There's your room tour. We're going to go check out the rest of the hotel here. We'll see what we're looking at. Oh, looks like we have
A view.
oh, a funny little balcony. It's a little triangle. See that? Just a little sliver. And then we are facing the front of the hotel. So if you're looking for the airport, it's actually over here on the left. You can't see my finger, but it's over there on the left there. So literally right across the street. It's going to take us, 5 minutes in the shuttle to get across there. And of course, there is the Fairfield by Marriott as well. Liam wants to give us a quick review of how comfortable the bed and the pillows are.
And some others.
What is the system here? 1 to 5? 1 to 10?
1 to 5 stars, and then 1 to 10. Out of.
Oh, so one of these pillows is feather, one of them is synthetic.
And so.
All right. How is it? Comfortable?
It's a 9 out of 10 right now because I feel like it would be more comfortable if I took off my socks.
That has nothing to do with the actual bed, though. So if you took off your socks, it would be a 10 out of 10.
So then it would, yeah.
Okay.
5 stars.
Well, there you have it, folks.
The pillows.
Oh, 5. Yes, it was out of 5. So a 5 out of 5 stars if you took off your socks. But currently a 4, or a 9 out of 10, or a 10 out of 10. So many numbers. We're just throwing numbers around like it's willy-nilly here.
Yeah. Here's a quick thing to learn. Do not keep socks on when you go to bed.
Some people like their socks on when they go to bed.
I've done it before. My feet burn.
Oh, it was too sweaty.
They're like on fire.
Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Marriott Courtyard here at the Buffalo Airport. If you do need a place to stay, it's not the cheapest place. It would cost about, with the park and fly, and we have park and fly for 10 days, it is free for 7 days to park here. But after that, you have to pay $10 a day. So it is costing us about $300 with all the taxes in, and that is an American fund. So not the cheapest place to stay, but we did get it last minute, and a lot of them were sold out. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour about the hotel we are staying at in the Buffalo area, and I will catch you guys all in the next video.